doing a little rundown of 5 things that I love about my Focus RS. So I guess I'll start off with something just really simple and basic, and that is these Recaro seats. They're based on the Recaro Sportster CS, and I think they are absolutely fantastic, both in looks and how they feel. They are of course an option seat, and in some regions they're not even available, which is kind of weird, but I knew that I wanted them in my RS, so I got them, and I do not regret it one wee bit. I absolutely love them. I think they really hug you really well, and of course when you get these you get the upgraded rear seats too, which are just so much better than the stock ones in terms of material and shape. And whether you're in the rear or in the front, it's just a nice place to be, and that's awesome. So yeah, my number 1, the seats. So my number 2 is power and speed. So this car stock has 350 horses under the hood, and that is a lot in a hatchback. And you can drive it slowly like this if you want, or you can drop it and go, and it just goes like it's really awesome. It's really fun, it's really fast. I don't really see how you could ever get bored with that. I mean, it is just a barrel of laughs, and of course then you get all those pops and bangs and stuff, and it's all theatrical, and it's just a load of crack, it's just really great fun. And of course there are many modding options that I'm looking into. I've already got my induction kit going, and I've got a few more things planned to up the power even faster, so there's lots and lots of options out there, which is really cool actually. There's lots of support for Ford vehicles in general, and in particular the Focus RS, so power, lots of it, potential for more, speed, lots of it, potential for more, and that is something I love. So coming in at number 3 then is just how the car looks. So yes, inside we've already mentioned, great. And of course I've upgraded with a bunch of carbon fiber stuff, and there's potentially some more on the horizon. But then also how the car looks on the outside. So I think it's fantastic. It's got so many accents and bits and bobs and angles that just make it look really cool. You've got that big wing, you've got your front splitter, your rear diffuser from the factory, you've got that front grille. The shape of it is so big and aggressive looking, and it's just exactly what you want in a hot hatch or a hyper hatch, in my opinion, of course. So I think it looks great. That coupled with the nitrous blue paint, which in my opinion is certainly one of the best colors that the RS is available in, it's just great. It's a real head turner, and I love it. Anytime I'm walking away from the car, I always look back and think, yeah. So yeah, my number 3, just how awesome the car looks. I should probably look where I'm going. Okay, then number 4, something that I love is the versatility of the car. It is a 5-door hatch. Some people don't like that. They think, oh wow, that should be available in 3-door. But those 2 extra doors add a certain level of versatility and practicality. The whole point of hot hatches has always been to have epic performance with the added practicality of being a hatchback and having all the seats and space and everything. So I think the Focus RS really ticks that box. Obviously we've already mentioned performance, but those extra doors, all the seats in the back, which are plenty spacious, surprisingly spacious given the big bucket seats, and yeah, the boot is maybe a little bit gimped, but I've actually found it not too bad. I can get plenty in there, and of course you can put the seats down, and you've got loads of space. You can go to IKEA and buy a bunch of furniture if you really want to, and that's awesome. You can have your cake and eat it, essentially. Another way that it's versatile is, of course, with the drive modes. The first RS to have drive modes, so you just press your little button down here and you can go from normal to sport, and sport to track, or of course the extra special drift function, which I haven't had a chance to use yet, but it's just so awesome that they really thought about it in terms of versatility and adding so much in there. You can do so much with it. You can tootle around town slowly, not making much noise, or you can crank it up, jump on track, go mad. You can find a big open space, do donuts. The versatility is huge with this car, and I think that's something to really love. So yeah, I mean, that's my number 4. Okay, so then in at number 5 then, fifth and final, is just in general how the car makes me feel. And it's kind of difficult to describe really. It's like every time I go to drive it, it's like, you know, this feeling of excitement and wanting to just get out there, jump into sport mode and just go for it. And it's just an absolute blast. It's an absolute pile of laughs and fun, and that's great. And in addition to that, whenever you see people checking it out, or little kids, you know, come up and asking if you'll rev it for them and stuff, and you know, that's awesome as well, you know, because you know, you're making other people happy, I guess, in a weird way with the car. So from multiple angles, it just, the feeling, it's hard to describe feeling at the end of the day, but it's something that I love. I love how that makes me feel too. So yeah, I mean, that is a very short list. It's only 5 things. I feel like I could go on and on and on. There's a lot to love about the Focus RS, but I'm going to leave it at 5, and then you can throw a comment down in the comment section below if you have some things that you love. If you have an RS, if you don't have an RS, doesn't matter. You know, if you love things about it and I haven't mentioned them, you know, what are they? Let us know. Let's get a discussion going and see if we can get a big huge list of all the awesome things about the RS. So yeah, I look forward to hearing what you have to say, and I hope you like this little video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.